In this video, we are going to talk about who is actually on Pinterest, what kind of users you can find them, and how you can actually target them. You have to first to know them, who is your ideal customers, of course, but you want to know who is on this platform so you can target them better and then create the pins for them. So let's have a look in this platform and who is there. My name is Michaela and I'm Pinterest Manager and Strategist. I'm here to help you and show you how you can use this full potential of this platform and really grow your business, get more users to your website or e-shop, and also get more traffic, get more sales, and be successful not only on Pinterest, but of course with your business. So I want to go back with this video a little bit back to basics because a lot of people start with Pinterest and they don't know what kind of users, what kind of people are on Pinterest, on this platform. So we're going to talk about this today. If you maybe already seen my videos before, or you heard about Pinterest, or you use it every day, Pinterest is visual search engine, and people, it's really like a place where people, where you find like active planners. Okay, the users are active planners. What does it mean? People who come here, they seek for inspiration or to solve their specific problem. They don't just like scroll there, like maybe if you compare it to some other social media, you're just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling with no purpose. Pinterest is really very different because people, the users on Pinterest, they go here with specific goal, specific plan. Okay, I'm looking for ideas or inspiration, or maybe I have specific problem I need to solve. So they really come with a clear goal. So for example, I am doing home renovation. I am going to Pinterest to search and find maybe tips how I can make and renovate my kitchen even in a certain way. How I can do it by myself even if I don't want to pay anybody to do it. How can maybe decorate my kitchen even better, make my decoration, maybe Christmas decoration on for my table. How can do it, and maybe if I buy a few things, how can make it nice. So this is one of my goals. I want to make my home better, or I want to do a home renovation, right? So this is a clear goal. For example, another goal would be I'm planning a wedding. So of course, you're not just going to decide tomorrow I'm going to get married. So you have to plan it. And you go again, Pinterest, you have a clear goal, my wedding, and I'm searching for best wedding dress or best venues where I can do my wedding. And you do it months and months before you actually have the wedding, right? So this is a classic, like a specific problem because you are looking for ideas even and solutions for this wedding. What could be also another solution like this is, for example, problem I'm looking for, planning a birthday party, right? So I'm going to Pinterest with specific goal I have in mind. I'm preparing party. I want to have this great, amazing party for my friends. And I want to make some special food. Maybe special food for my country because they are all international people. I say, okay, I'm going to make some food from Czech Republic. I go on Pinterest. I'm going to look for recipes, birthday recipes from Czech cuisine, right? So just thinking about this, you may already have the idea what kind of people are or what kind of users are on Pinterest. They are ready to take the action. So they can either search for idea. They have clear goal. They go on Pinterest. They can even save your pin because they will create their dream boards, maybe with a wedding dress. They can also click on the pin, save it, and maybe or visit your website or e-shop. They can even go and buy your product because they search directly and you have the product. They solve their problem directly. So like, okay, perfect. Finally, I find it. Okay. So imagine how this algorithm works and who is actually on Pinterest. Let's go over some statistics because, of course, we have to have some data here. So over 70% of users on Pinterest are women. And the largest age group is between 25 and 34 years old. Now you're thinking, oh my God, this is my target group. This is my ideal customer. It's a woman. And usually these women, they have families. So they have kids. So if you have anything, maybe product or service, which is targeted for women between 25 and 34, then it's like Pinterest should be your top platform for your marketing and for your, to getting traffics and sales. The second largest groups is, of course, over 35 years old. So it's like 35, 45. And that's also one second biggest age group on Pinterest. However, they are not only women, because recently, I mean, we can say that these months, over last year, we can say the men population on Pinterest is growing quite rapidly, because they are looking for different tips like fitness or tech things, AI or whatever like this. So you can, even if you have products or services targeted for men, you can think it a different way. I give you extra tip because, for example, maybe your product is for men. Maybe it's a grill for grilling, right? Meat, and men love to do barbecues and stuff. But if the woman goes there and see the pin and they want to buy gift for men, for your husband, they will search for grills and recipes and whatever. And then they know their husband loves this to do barbecues. So they will, the woman who is there, mainly 70% are women, right? So they go and buy the gift for the man. So think about it this way: even if you have products for men or women, and it's kind of or services, it doesn't mean you shouldn't be on Pinterest, because there is over 70% of women. All right. So another fact: Gen Z is the fastest growing group on Pinterest. Now, nowadays, 2025, it makes over 42% of all users worldwide. Okay, over 42%. That's like we're getting almost half of the Gen users are on Pinterest, right? So now, what do you think? Maybe your products, it's perfect for them. It's for the Gen Z, let's say, it's a natural part of their search process, right? They save ideas, they plan, and they actually follow the brands, they inspire them. So maybe you are thinking, oh my God, now perfect. Now my generation, the generation I am targeting, it's on Pinterest. So that's like a no-brainer, right? Let's go on Pinterest and start there. And now let's talk about why should Pinterest matter actually to you, right? To your business. One specific thing is that 96% of users search for content without specific brand. So I will just repeat it because it's huge. 96% of users search the content without specific brand in mind, which opens big opportunities for small businesses and startups. Why? Because I'm not going to search for big brands now in mind. I'm searching for specific product which is going to solve my problem. So not for specific brand, because I don't even know you yet, but I'm searching for a solution, right? I'm inspiration, idea. So I might find your product because it solves my problem, and I don't care if it's a big brand or small brand. Yeah. So think about it. 96%. It's a huge number. 80% of users come to Pinterest for inspiration, and also it also, the statistics show they find it. So 80% they go to Pinterest, find something, some ideas, inspiration, or some solution, and 80% of them they usually find it. So that's great. Like you go to different platform, you mainly just scrolling, and you don't find anything because you don't go where the people go. On Pinterest, people go, and the users, they actively plan. So, and they find what they're looking for. So that's also a great number. And anything like Pinterest will help you to build the brand awareness. You might be starting or your small business, and you will get to new customers because they might not even know you, but you don't have to compete, with the big brands like most of the other platforms. So, and also there is point, you don't have to spend big money on the ads. So that's like an extra tip from me. Bonus, which you can be if you are consistent, you have optimized profile, and you know how to attract the audience, then you are perfect for Pinterest, and you can really do it everything organically without spending a big money on advertisement. So this is really summary of who is on Pinterest. I hope it was helpful. If you want to start on Pinterest and you are not sure if it's for you, you can sign up here. There is a table. I put a link for you can sign up. You can put your business profile. I will have a look. I give you free mini audit of your profile, give you tips and tricks you can do, how to improve your profile. And if you want to talk to me, you can definitely book 20 minutes free discovery call, and we can talk about the business and your Pinterest and how you can grow further. So this is it. And if you like my videos, I will be happy if you subscribe here. Every week we have new videos about Pinterest, about business, and about more things. So subscribe here, and I will see you next week.